I'm actually kind of blessed to have my dad own a shop and learn how to do basic stuff like this. Up we go. Make sure the oil is clean. Nice. You want to see the before your oil? So compare that with this color. That joint pitch black. That's sin right there. It's pitch
Preach.
black. It's sin right there.
Preach.
It's like Jesus' blood washing away the impurities in your transmission. You see, if you find God in everything, like He's there in everything that you do. I plead the blood over this car. Let the blood of Christ sanctify us and purify us so that we can run like new.